President Ranil Wickremesinghe awarded President Colours to the Sri Lanka Navy's Special Boat Squadron at the Presidential Fleet Review of the Sri Lanka Navy at the Trincomalee Harbour.
Our Navy has been dedicated to safeguarding not only the territorial waters of Sri Lanka but also the wider Indian Ocean region. We have pledged our commitment to the agreement of the United Nations in this matter. It is imperative that we prevent any harm to our economic endeavours in the Indian Ocean. Today's event holds historical significance as it takes place at the Trincomalee Harbour, which is not only esteemed in Sri Lanka but also worldwide. It is imperative that we safeguard this harbour, which is a crucial asset of our nation. We must exercise prudence and vigilance in its protection.
ලංකාවට අයිති වරායක්. ඒකත් අපි ආරක්ෂා කරන්න තියෙනවා. අපි පැති ගන්න නැතුව වැඩ කටයුතු කරන්න තියෙනවා.
The event was further enhanced by a naval display performed by the Navy's Special Boat Squadron and other warships.
Born during the Vietnam War.
Ceremonial mark of respect offered.
Meanwhile, President Ranil Wickremesinghe also attended Sri Lanka Air Force Cadet Officers Commissioning ceremony held yesterday afternoon at the Air Force Base in China Bay, Trincomalee. 58 were appointed to the authority.
Your commitment to upholding the country's constitution must remain steadfast. You must also respect all those who work alongside you and provide leadership to you. Guide them consistently and remain proactive in your approach. Just as you expect obedience from your subordinates, be prepared to follow the directives of your superiors. True discipline can only be achieved through mutual respect and adherence to authority. You are entrusted with the responsibility of safeguarding the country from internal and external hostile forces. It is imperative that you dedicate yourself to upholding the stability of the country in accordance with the Constitution, ensuring adherence to the nation's laws at all times.
The night commissioning parade held at Air Force Base in China Bay, Trincomalee, marked a historic milestone for the Sri Lanka Air Force, being the first of its kind in its history. The event featured musical performances, parachute shows and cultural events.
අපි මානයක් එක් කරමින් අඩි 5000ක් තරම් ඉහළ හෙලිකොප්ටර් බලගෙන අයත්